welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys a heat tool, something to style your beautiful bio hair or alternative hair with. This is from the brand Terviiix. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly. T-E-R-V-I-I-I-X, 3 I's and an X. And you can find this brand on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You can locate their store over on Amazon, and they have some pretty amazing tools. This one here I'm thrilled to check out because it's not one, not two, but 3 awesome, actually 4 interchangeable ceramic plates on this here heat tool iron. I haven't even opened this up, so we're gonna try it on my bio hair, and we're gonna try it on this here wig that I washed, let air dry, and it's just been like chilling, waiting for somebody to do something to it. So I'm gonna put her on and actually try to style it with it on my head. Typically I like to style my human hair pieces on a block head, but we're just gonna improvise today and try this out. So it looks like we have 4-in-1 zigzag and straight hair crimper. So you have 4 interchangeable ceramic plates. You have argan oil, keratin, and tourmaline infused plates. It maxes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has 5 adjustable temperatures. Okay, so let's unbox this beauty. Ooh, nice. Nice. I love that it's nice and big. Look at those crimping plates. I have been really liking crimping lately. My girls have too. I guess we're just like stuck in the 80s or something. Also, crimping your hair up in the root can add a lot of volume if you're dealing with thin, fine hair. So it looks like you have one of these gloves to help protect you. Operating instructions, your instruction manual, and the various plates. Love it, love it. So it looks like they are on all of these social media platforms, so check that out and go give them a follow. The rose, purple, golden, and silver interchangeable wave and flat plates deliver 4 kinds of mood and crimping hairstyles. You have argan oil, keratin, and tourmaline plates tech. Let's see, it emits millions of negative ions and nourishing properties to reduce damage by 3 times during styling. 5 temperatures that are adjustable, settings from 280 to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. That helps you meet all hair type needs. Obviously, if you have thin, fine, fragile hair like mine, you do not want to, push it up to 450 degrees or you're gonna fry that off. Oh, it looks like it has a 60-minute auto shut off, so that's really nice. I have accidentally kept my heat tools on after I've left the house, and then I come home and I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot to turn this off. So I love that. Worldwide dual voltage, so you can take this beauty traveling and you're able to plug it in everywhere. I'm gonna open up these plates, see what they look like. Everything's packaged really well, nice and secure so it doesn't get damaged. Okay, so these purple ones are your larger crimp. These gray ones are the flat iron pieces. Medium crimping plates in gold. And the ones that are attached are your small crimping plates in pink. Yeah, these small ones would be fantastic for adding some volume underneath your hair. I know you can get crimpers specifically for adding, you know, volume and bulk to your roots. But they don't have all these other plates that you can switch out on your tool. So that's super awesome. So what I'm going to do next is figure out how to interchange these plates. I want to put on the flat iron piece to flat iron this here wig. But I am going to try some crimping after I get this piece all flat ironed. And you guys get to see how it works out. Here goes nothing. Okay, so I figured out how to remove the plates. First, you slide these outer shell covers off. And then you can slide the plates up and out, like so. So I'm going to put the flat iron plates on. Okay, so I have the flat iron plates on. So here's the button. When you turn it on, it turns on to like the highest degree. Then you can keep pushing the button and it will move down in the degree until you turn it off. I'm going to put this at 360 degrees for now and see how that works. While that heats up, I'll put on my wig. Okay, so here goes nothing. It's all heated up. I have my wig on. Let's see how well this here flat iron smooths out this wig that needs some help. This is some heat thermal spray that I like to use when using heat tools on my human hair pieces. I noticed on this here contraption, it has these little combs on either side. I really like that. Seems to be doing an amazing quick job making it nice and smooth. Well, looky at that. Oh, it does an amazing job flat ironing and making nice and smooth. This hair feels awesome. Now, I would take these off and interchange it for these here crimping plates, but I'm gonna have to let this cool down. So while I do that, I'm gonna pick another hair piece and see what we can do to crimp that just a little bit to show you guys the pattern. Okay, you guys, I have a topper on that is not styled. I'm going to put these bigger crimping plates on this here heat tool and see how it does crimping this here topper. Still a little bit hot from these plates, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can change them out. Not too hot. Actually, do you know what I could do? I could put on the glove, but it's really not that hot. Not too hot. Yeah, not too bad. Oh, kind of when you grab it. This thing gets pretty hot. Okay, now I'm going to put on these ones. Now I will turn it on. And we will let that get hot. It's straightened really well, so I'm assuming it's going to crimp really well. I'm sure the heating element heats the crimpers just the same, and it did a wonderful job. I just think it's amazing that you can switch it out between the flat iron, this larger crimper, medium, and then a small. How convenient and cool is that? I'm really excited to try these smaller ones just to add some volume to my biological hair. And I think my 3 daughters who love heat tools and fun things to do with their hair, they're gonna love it as well. It's already getting pretty hot, so I'm gonna take a piece and go for it, see how it does. I like how it has these little tabs that you can push for more pressure if needed. Cool. Now this would be a whole lot easier on a blockhead. Like I said, I'd pin this here topper to the blockhead and be able to really do a fantastic job. This is a pretty thick piece of hair too, and it's crimping it really well. That did an awesome job. How fun is that? Let's do another piece. Well, that's fun, if I do say so. Here is the larger crimp. I think it's super fun. It feels soft after it's been done. Even with the crimper, I just feel like it made the hair texture feel a lot softer. So I think that those plates are just really soothing for the hair, even for using heat, which is great because when you purchase alternative hair, you want it to last, you want to protect it, and that's going to help the longevity of your alternative hair. Now with your biological hair, of course, you know, having good heat tools that don't fry, then that is really a good thing too. All in all, I'm super impressed with this Terviiix hair heating tool, either zigzag or straight. It's really fun. I think it's great that you can switch it out and just have a lot of fun with it. Anyway, I will have the link down below so you guys can check out this here flat iron and crimper, and let me know what you guys think about my flat iron wig and this topper that's partially crimped. Would you wear crimped hair, or do you feel like it's too 80s? I know my girls love it. So I'm super excited for them as well. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Go follow Terviiix on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and check out their other tools. They look really nifty. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.